3 DUIs and is over with. Thanks for telling me? No, really, I should have paid attention to this red flag. She comes over and after pleasantries, I start to cook shrimp curry soup. She asks for a drink. I show her my drink cabinet and picks out the most expensive tequila that I have. That's fine. Biggest F up, I presume that everyone is good at self-regulation of their drinking. It's just what I believe. We know if we're getting toasted or not, and it's intentional. I join and catch up with the 2 shots. I get a seltzer for myself and she grabs a cocktail. And another one. 4 drinks in 40 minutes for this 110-pound person. I assume she's good at holding her liquor. After dinner, we're cuddling where she has her head on my lap. Suddenly, to my surprise, she takes her pants off and says, "Let's go to bed. A woman has needs." Let me mention nothing sexual happened here. I was barely registering as tipsy and she was beyond drunk. I set her in the bed and she immediately passes out. No worries, I'll put a trash can near her and I'll go watch some TV and play games and check on her. The horror story starts here. I check on her and I realize that my bed is dark. I touch it. It's pee. Just fucking great. I attempt to wake her and alert her that she soiled herself and my bed. She wakes up and asks me why I'm waking her up and then tries to flirt with me. I then notice she's soiling herself. Again, actively, while trying to seduce me.